Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to find the library folder on a Mac. First, go ahead and open Finder. Then, head up to the Go menu. Right here, you won't see the library folder just yet. At this point, press and hold the Option key, and a new shortcut named Library will appear for you to access. Go ahead and click on that, and you will be right inside the library folder. Note that this is the user library folder. There is actually another library folder, the one shared for all users, which is located at the root of your hard drive. You can access these two folders by going to the Go menu, then selecting Go to Folder. Here, if you type /library, you will access the system library. But if you type ~library, you will access the user library. Next, if you want the library folder to show up permanently in Finder, first go to the Go menu, then select Home. From here, hit Command-J. Then, check the box that says Show Library Folder. Now the library folder will appear inside your user home folder. Please note that you will only see this checkbox when you are inside the user home folder. If you are in any other folder, you won't see that option. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and check out more macOS tutorials for beginners on my channel. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next videos.